This is the 4-in-1 USB-C cable by mFish. Now by 4-in-1, you'll see in just a second what that means. And I'm pretty sure that you've already seen some of these because they are becoming quite popular. Now this one supports up to 240 watts of charging, so that's great. And again, it's a 4-in-1. And don't let the big box dissuade you from what you're getting, because it comes very well protected in this hardcover case. And as you can see, we have a zipper, which when we open reveals the cable. Now as you can see, they come in very different colors. This one is the red one, and it's got a gold accent in the connectors. It also comes with this cable tie right incorporated in the cable. And this one, this is where the 4-in-1 comes. So you got USB-A to Lightning. You can also change it to USB-C to Lightning. You can then change it to USB-C to USB-C, and then USB-A to USB-C. So pretty much all the possible combinations that you might need. So mFish made a really good winner with this one. Now putting it back in the case is fairly easy. Oh, by the way, this cable is like tangle free, because no matter how you twist and turn, it's still very easy to untwist and untangle. And I don't even know that the word is untangle, because it never got tangled in the first place. So let's try to put it back in the case. Should be fairly easy. So let's just tie this with the included cable tie. And because it's so flexible, you don't really have to put it as compact as it was right out of the box. So let's give it a try. And just kind of squeeze it in, and with not much effort, it's already back in the case.